Xiaomi is preparing to launch the special edition POCO F featuring Deadpool. A photograph of the device's design has been leaked, showing it predominantly in red. It also comes with some decoration near the flash, and the branding is in yellow to contrast with the red color, which could be a reference to Wolverine. As you know, they are going to appear together in a movie that is soon to be released, and that's why it's likely that this device will also go on sale very close to the movie's release. It is said that this device will be unveiled on July 26th, but its official sale will not start until August, and it seems that it will be focused solely on India. Remember that generally several smartphone brands make special editions of their devices, but due to licensing and other issues, these special editions are usually distributed in a specific country. Samsung, for example, has launched many Marvel editions with Iron Man and many other characters, and other manufacturers in China have also released many special editions with different characters. But as I mentioned, on this side of the world, there haven't been many releases of that kind, so I would be interested to know if you have ever acquired any special edition smartphones. Perhaps this device, being a POCO F, could be imported more easily, as we all know that Xiaomi devices have a very widespread unofficial distribution. For now, we only have that image published by the site SmartRix, so we don't have the rest of the device's body to examine, but at the bottom, there is a small fragment of an image that could feature Deadpool directly on the back cover. So for fans of these characters, this special edition will be available, and I don't think it will be very expensive considering it is a POCO F device.